Trials Bike Special Day. We've got Sherco from BK Trials, from Eddie Aitken Motorcycles, Royal Enfield Trials Bike. Only men can ride that. That's not for sissies who just ride 75 kilo ones. That's a proper 150 kilo kill your trials bike. Ride that is peril. Right, well, what we've got here is a brand new, straight from a factory, Vertigo. I believe it's a DL12 this. So, but we don't like to transport them like this. They're just too cumbersome, and we're not set up to move boxes, and technically we're not insured to transport goods. We're only insured to transport motorcycles. So it's much better for us to unpack these. So this is going to be a special unboxing video. So I'll just get straight into it, because when this gets delivered to the shop, it needs to be out of this box. They need to take it out anyway, so they're cool with it. Get it on. We may not be able to get this on because it's too bad. There you go. And there she is. That's what they look like in the crate. Straight from factory. So just the bars need fitting, and your box of spares. A little peek underneath. cc, 2-stroke, fuel injected, state of the art. And that's it, ready for delivery.